Hello everyone, the Tornado Man here, back with another video. I didn't do a talk for a while and I thought I will do it again. And there was a somewhat of a popular trend that kinda died, is where people rated different countries or devices emergency alarm systems, or EAS. EAS for short. Sorry that I started, but since it was kind of dead and that I did a talk for a while, I thought I would do it. I may make a part 2 if it gets enough views or whatever, but well, here they are. Disclaimer: some of these EAS may be wrong. Don't be harsh if I made a mistake. Most of these ES are uploaded on one of these two channels by Titanic Durant and ESA Alarm YouTube. These are only my opinion, so if you believe one is less or more scary, say it in the comments. Thanks. Not gonna lie, I heard this a million times, but it's still kind of scary, so I will say it a 5.5 out of 10. This is much more scarier than USA's emergency alarm system, but it could be better. I'll say 7 out of 10. It sounds like it's the end of the world or a contaminant breach. It makes a good job for being scared. 9.5 out of 10. What? This ain't scary at all. Oh, is this even an alarm? 0.5 out of 10. France just sounds like it's cussing, but I would say it's more scary than Japan, but doesn't really get the job done. 2 out of 10. Yeah, it just sounds like it's partying. Oh yeah. 1 out of 10. Sorry. It's another day I'm recording this. I couldn't get it done the other day, so my voice sounds a little bit different, but let's continue. It sounds like a hearing test or a audio visualization or illusion thing. I'll give it a 2 out of 10. The emergency alarm system sounds good. Just need to more with it. So I'll say 6.5 out of 10. Much scarier than the Taiwanese EAS. 9 out of 10. Sounds alright, I guess. Could be a lot better, but doesn't really scare me, so I will just say 4 out of 10. That does not sound like an EAS. That sounds like dial-up internet, not gonna lie. 2 out of 10. I know people already made this joke a lot, but it sounds like a race car. It just really is. A terrible race car. The same rating as South Korea, 2 out of 10. Okay, very scary, but also very annoying. I would not like this to be playing at night. 7 out of 10. I think has the same issue as Spain, or it being it kind of okay, but still isn't. So I'll give the same rating as a 4 out of 10. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Maybe I'll make a part 2 if this gets enough attention. I'll see you later. Bye.